hear some weird noises coming from outside. Oh my gosh. What the heck? The door's open. We're hearing disturbing noises. God. Hey! Hey, bud! Hey! Get off my lawn now! Ah! He fell in the water! He fell in the pool! Oh my gosh! And it's Slenderman! Hey, old bud! Do yourself a favor and stay out of my lawn! Do yourself a favor, stay out of my lawn now! Leave! Leave, freaking Slenderman, piece of crap! No! Leave! Hey, bud, where you going, huh? Going back to your Slender Woman? Hey, old bud! That's right! Do yourself a favor and stay out of my lawn! Gosh dang! Oh my gosh! Where are you going, huh? You're trapped now! Huh? Where are you going? Oh my gosh! I better get the hell out of here before he kills me!